This is Irontrader. This is the last call of the day, so we are going to take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell, any stock, market, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil here and natural gas daily charts. Now, really good sell-off here today. Now the Nasdaq now is down 645. The Dow's down 1,039, and then the S&P is down 169 here so far. But this has been a really good trading day. Okay, this morning, if you watched my video here, I just pointed out opportunity. Okay, look at Nvidia. Okay, got as low as 90.69, high as 103.49. Just a great trader today. Tesla, look at Tesla. Got as low as 182, got as high as 203.87. Just great trading here. Now, crude oil, this is a really good scalping opportunity here. Like the UCO got as low as 27.22 and as high as 28.21, so you had a good point scalping right there, okay? So there was just a lot of good opportunity here. Same way with the natural gas short, which I traded today, got as low as 79.40, got as high as 85.20. I didn't get all of that there. That was pretty close to, what was that? That's almost like 6 points. But I got 3.5 points out of KOLD on the short side today. So I was very satisfied with that. But just between the Tesla, the Nvidia, TQQ, 48.80 low, high of 56.18. I mean, just great trading. So always look for opportunity. If you don't find it in one thing, look at it another thing. Just look at these sell-offs as trading. Okay, don't look at it this is buy and hold, just trading. Okay, let's take a look here at crude. Now you can see here, we had that series of lower highs, lower lows. Came all the way down here, put a bottoming tail in here. But I'm not getting too excited about this yet here for a simple reason is we put a bottoming tail in there on Friday also. But these are red candles, okay? So this isn't showing to you nothing. Now, again, it got us low here today as 71.67. We were watching this key level here at 72.48, and obviously it went below that, and then it just popped right on up here. But let's just show you where else it could go here, which we're also watching. Okay, so when you look at here, okay, we had that right there, that 71.67. What you want to do is just look right here, bring this price channel right across here. Look how nice that is, okay? See 71.41 so far, you've held that. Bring this price channel here right across. What do we got? Okay, you have 70.50, and then bring it right across here. What do you got? 70.13. And then what do we got here? You got 69.28. We always look to the left of the chart there. 69.11. And then we have 68.22. And your big retest is 67.71. So everything you need to know about support is sitting right here. These blue lines here, these are price channels. And this is why you put price channels on. See, they leave that notch. And all these are just bottoms of candles or tops of candles, which makes life very easy. Now, again, I said this many times, you can use clouds, you can use Bollinger Bands. They're just not as accurate as this because this is basically, that's the price. Okay, you can't get any more accurate than the bottom of the candle for the price. So you just follow these all the way down. So obviously right there, it held that 71.41. That's what we were trading against as soon as you lose this candle right here. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. This here, it blew right past that. So then we just look to the next level. As long as that holds, then you can take the scalp long, okay? So that's what we're looking at on the downside. On the upside here, now you have 73 here, 29. So now what we always want to watch is we want to just start looking right here, okay? So we have 73.98. There's your resistance level. Look to the bottom of that candle. You have 74.06. Look to the top of that candle. You got 74.33. That's your levels of resistance. Then we start getting into here, okay? So 74.59. We look to the bottom here. You're looking at 75.18. We look to the bottom here. You're looking at that 75.35 level. And then we'll come all the way up here to your 76.04. But this is what you're looking for right there is that 76.13. That is your 8 SMA here. Now, just to make real clear here, this is nowhere near bullish. This is complete bearish. This is a good scalping opportunity. Now, okay, so you say, okay, now where are we going to stand right now, Iron Trader? You keep on saying about these higher lows and lower highs. Here's what we want to look at, okay? So you want to look at today's high. That's that 74.46, and you want to look at that low, 71.67. So when those futures open up tonight at 6 o'clock and tomorrow morning, we want to hold that 71.67. If not, we're going to go to the left of the chart there, okay? And the upside, then we just do like we said. We just follow the candles all the way up here until we hit that 8 simple moving average. Now, 76.13, when those futures open up, this 8-day is going to be lower, okay? This 21-day is going to be lower. You can see where it crossed the 100-day, the 50-day, and you can probably be towards that 200 SMA here, okay? So that's lower. This is a bearish pattern. This is a bearish chart. This is a bearish chart, okay? So don't get me wrong on that. But this is a scalping opportunity. Always look for opportunities. That's what a good trader does. He doesn't care, okay, if the market opens down to 1,000 or if it opens up 1,000. We're looking for opportunities to make money within that scenario, okay? That's what we're kind of looking for, okay? So right now, we want to just trade against today's candle, the high, the low, and the closing. That's what we're trading against, okay? You bust that low, well, now we know exactly where we're going to go. We just keep following the price channels all the way down here until we get a hold, just like we had here with this 71.41, okay? Then we know, okay, that's it. Boom. We take the long trade, and then we get out of the long trade here because this is not a buy and hold situation. Let's see how it rolls. Again, if we can break above today's high at 74.46, well, then realistically, your target's going to be that 8 simple moving average, and it's going to probably stop pretty much dead, just like it did here, all the way on down. Look at that. See? Right there. Okay. We had one green, but then at 200 days stopped it dead. Okay. It came all the way on down. See, that's what we're looking for here. So trade against this candles, today's high, low, and the closing. Okay. Natural gas, you can see here, this is bearish. There's nothing bullish here about this, except for one couple of things here, okay? We got these series of lower lows here, but if you look at your RSI here, we got positive divergence here on your RSI, and we have a pretty much an oversold condition here on your MACD here, but we've got to see how this is all going to shake out. But as long as you're below that 8 SMA here, it's going to be sideways to down. That's just reality, okay? So upside, we're just going to look at big numbers here today, okay? This is what you're looking at right here, this 2.02, okay? Now, I got all the numbers posted here for support and resistance at the end of this video, so they're all refined. But if you're looking at just realistic numbers that you're headed for, is going to be that 2.02. Now, again, when the futures open for natural gas tonight at 6 o'clock, that will be lower. So you want to get above that. And then the next target there, obviously, is going to be that 214. And then if you can get above that, you got 221, 237, and then 247, your 50 SMA here. But you got to figure this is on the way down. This is all waterfall situation here until we can get that reversal situation going, okay? So now on the downside here, we hit that 188. We're always said, I said, just look right here. That is your support levels, okay? So we had the 197. Yeah, we hit that. 195, we hit that. 192 and 190, we went through that there today. So we hit 188. So this is what we're looking for right here. Next is going to be basically 185. And then you can just come right on down, follow down 180. Okay, you got 178, you got 172, and then we have 167, which is your gap fill. Okay. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get down there. I have no idea, but you got to just trade this range, long and short. If you're just a long trader, look for a bottom there and just take it long, along. Okay, like say, okay, I trade the ETFs. Okay, like UNG. Well, you had a good trade there. You had got down as low as 1257, and then you got a high of 1305. Now, I usually trade 5,000 shares. I didn't make any trade today in UNG. I did in the cold, and that was pretty good because that was all jammed up with the TQQ, the NVIDIA, the Tesla. That was just such a good, that was like a gimme, here, take this money kind of a situation is sitting right in your lap, okay? So always, always, always look for opportunity here. So here's what we want to do here on natural gas, okay? So obviously you want to watch today's high, which was 1.97, and today's low at 1.88. And you want to trade that. If you break above that, then we know the 8 days is your target. Above that, the 21 days a target, okay? If you break below this 188, then we know 185, okay? 180, 172, okay? All the way on down to 167. That is going to be your target, okay? Very, very simple. So just trade what's in front of you, not what you want. Okay, I'll be back here tomorrow morning and we'll do it all over again. Okay, thanks for watching.